Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you what should be your trading psychology, because what people do is they try to make mistakes, okay, and because of their wrong decision of trading, suppose they are in profit also they make losses, or they keep doing trading over trade, and that's when their loss increases. And suppose, so I'll tell you few 3-4 points which you have to remember while trading a trade or while your position is there. Okay, so basically what you have to understand in this: first point, you take a trade, understand the entry, where you have to take the entry and where you have to take the exit. Okay, suppose there is any breakout at this point, okay, this level, okay, or downside, you are taking entry at this point and the stop loss will be here. Okay, and you are in good profit. Suppose you are in a profit of $1,000. Okay, now it is from there the point is coming down again. Okay, what you can do is you can risk around $200 or $300. Okay, you can keep your stop loss after you are in a profit position. Okay, so it will come around $700, and then what you have to do is you have to exit it. Okay, this is the first point. If you are in profit, when it comes down to, if it 100%, when it comes down to 70, you should exit the trade. Okay, so this is the first point. Second point, you have to understand you don't have to trade continuously. Okay, for beginners, you have to understand that you have to trade, you can trade continuously but with a very small amount, with a very small trade, with one lot. Okay, for beginners I'm telling you, and you should set your limit for the day, loss limit for the day. Suppose you are trading with one lot, and your risk for the day should be around $30, okay, or $200 as per your risk appetite. But for, and if you are trading for first week and you are in a profit, then you can increase your lot in the second week, and so on. Getting me? And if you are making loss in second or third week, then be in the same lot size. Okay, and again if you make a profit in that particular week, then you can increase your position. Okay, now what you have to understand in that, see, look at this, let me delete this. Okay, so these 2 points I have told you. Now third point, you don't have to trade continuously. Don't trade continuously. Okay, suppose you in 3 trades you are making a good profit of suppose $500. Okay, and then you don't have to trade continuously, 4th, 5th, 6th, you are trading continuously. You are not, because you are not doing jobbing. Jobbers, I'll tell you what is jobbers who take minute trades and earn a small profit and accumulate it. So you have to trade when you are getting a breakout at somewhere, okay, or you know where to enter and where to exit. But suppose you are earning per trade around $100, then when the trade comes to around 80, then you should exit first trade. Okay, if you are trading continuously, this is what you have to understand. Because if you took 10 trade and from there 8 trades are correct, then you are in profit. But that 2 trades should not make a loss that will balance your 8 profitable trades. So what you have to understand is that you have to set your limits. You have to set your limits for the day loss. Suppose you are taking a risk of $100 per day maximum. Okay, so what will happen? Suppose there are 22 days in a month, and from there you are capable of taking 17 days profit and 5-day loss, then you are in profit already. Suppose if you take 15 days also, even 14 days, then you are already in profit, because if it $100 minus in for 8 days, but 14 days you are in profit, then you are already in profit. This is what you have to understand. Okay, now understand one more thing. You have to understand that you cannot trade continuously. Okay, you cannot trade continuously. What you have to do is you have to save. You have to take your profit home. Take your profit home. Okay, so now I'll brief you again. First, if you are in a good profit, when it comes down to 30%, then you should exit the trade for the day. Okay, second, set a limit for day loss. Suppose $100 per day, so you can make at least, I'm telling this for a good trader. Okay, not for the beginners. Third, you should not trade continuously. Okay, you should not be emotionally attached to the trades. Okay, don't trade emotionally. Fourth, you should know when to enter and when to exit. I have already explained in my previous video. If you have any doubt, you can mail me. Okay, then we can discuss your problem and then I can explain you in this. Okay, now fifth point, this is overall what I have to tell you, that whenever you are in profit, always set a limit for it, that you have to take this amount home and don't trade continuously with it. Okay, hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe.